Have you ever just been driving around town and think your mufflers are too loud? It's because you have a 5th gen and you just sit there and think you're the coolest person ever. We're going to show you how to quiet it down. Today, we're going to be replacing this muffler system with these. What is up, everybody? My hair is a mess. Yeah, today we're doing something a little different. I am visiting La Parents, and La Parents have a bunch of cool shit. So today, we're gonna be putting an exhaust on this Camaro. Look at it. Look at it. All right, internet, say hi to the parent.
What?
Say hi to the internet.
Hey, hi, internet.
Hi, internet. All right, so this car has actually been on my channel before. Long time ago. We put, pop the hood here to show you. By the way, this is gonna be a really quick video, but we put some goodies on this a long time ago. Let me pop the hood and show you. Boom, look at that. So you really want to deep dive my channel, you'll see this whole install on there. So anyways, I guess the issue is your old mufflers are what, too loud? Is that what you said?
Kind of, it's been some time. They're kind of wearing out, and not only that, they rattle the house when we get stuck in the car in the morning.
What he's saying is
a little bit more subtle.
He says his ears hurt now. I heard. Anyways, yeah, so we put these on probably like when he first got the car. I don't know, what, 20,000 miles is when you had it, you put them on there? How many miles does this car have now? 60 something. It's like one of the, you know,
70.
OGs. So we're gonna put some nicer ones on there and we're gonna see how it sounds. Be a pretty quick video. But also, eventually, sometime in the future, there's this little 87 Grand National here. And as you can see, got all sorts of different goodies, including
Here's the cam.
including a cam. There you go, there's some specs for you. This will be featured on the channel eventually. It's gonna get a paint job and we're gonna have to do some stuff. Oh, we gotta show you something else too. It's got a lot of go fast parts. Full coilover suspension. So, sway bars, needle bearings for the caps, adjustable wrenches, and then fully adjustable coilovers to replace the factory stuff on this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna post some videos eventually of this because this thing's gnarly. Used to be propane injected and it's not anymore, which is very old, but it's running off a Holly. Actually, let me show you the inside of this thing while he's unboxing everything. Went and he restored the inside. So it's got all new door panels, all new cloth on the seats here, carpeting, headliner. It's got the aftermarket dash that looks OEM, but it's all Bluetooth and stuff. And then, like I said, the Holley EFI. Yeah, this thing is sick. I literally, not even joking, I literally cried when this thing came down the driveway because I'm a little sap. But yeah, this car is sick. I don't know how good the audio is on this because I forgot my microphone, but dude, this jack is half my age probably. So this jack is probably half my age. All right, let's get this thing jacked up here. Whoa, from the diff. Yeah, this is the exhaust we're replacing here, which is just bolted on, so famous last words, it should be really quick. You know, it's like organized chaos. Easy reach. There's your lube. Just spit on it. There's our rag.
There's a whole bag full of rags there.
Oh, you're lubing the hangers up?
Yeah.
We don't take the bumper off for this, do we?
No.
Okay. You were doing the bolts, not gonna lie.
Well, I was, but on the bolts.
Brand are these? Are they the Legato? Is that what they are? Legatos? Never heard of them. They look nice though. They look kind of like the Super 44s.
You know what? How far do those go into? They might be picking up the wrong. That's like front and rear hooks, right?
Yeah, they got rear hooks.
All the way back here.
These look like axle backs.
Well, they are, but
because they almost look like they come to here.
No,
mufflers?
they come in this way.
Oh, so they come in at like an angle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. I see what you're saying. That's always a good sign.
I'm gonna get my light.
Dude, this one doesn't want to move. Oh, this thing does not want to move. You know, the amount of times I've kissed bumpers of cars, you almost think I'm like that one dude. Dude, I cannot get that one off. Oh, I got one. Maybe the other one will come loose now. Oh, it's a dual bracket.
Yeah. Look.
Oh, the bushings are connected. So it's like a hook with a bar.
Oh, okay, I see.
And I'm prying on one side. I didn't know that.
You saw that?
No, I'm over here like an idiot. I'm prying one side, not realizing it's connected together. Put this on the internet, dude. Some high schooler will sap these up.
Hey, you want to sell them? I'll give you
Oh, dude, I'll sell them. You know,
the profits.
you know how many 5th gen Camaros are probably out there?
This goes 10 to 13, I think.
Are these also V8s and V6? Are they the same size?
No.
Loser V6
V6
people.
I think is a smaller.
I'm kidding. So, we got one side off here. I don't really know how loud this is going to be. Hopefully it's not too loud, but working on the other side now. Trying to get these brackets loose. They're being kind of a pain in the butt. Oh, I forgot we put springs on this thing.
A little easier than that. A little bit. There we go. It's got it. Finally. All right. So me.
Yeah, that bracket was kind of a pain. Now that I know that they're connected, it probably wouldn't be so bad.
There he goes. Back's coming off. Hang on. Keep doing that. Keep doing it.
Nice.
One piece.
Okay, that works. This is when you accidentally smash my fingers. Okay, so we got the exhaust off here. A little bit of a pain. They've been on there for, what, you said 40,000 miles maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, these have been on there for 40,000 miles, so those will be up for sale. But now we're going to see if the other ones connect, which I'm looking at it and I don't know how those are going to connect if the axles are in the middle like that. We got to get them connect to the mid pipe right there.
They sound like crap without a muffler.
Oh, it'd probably sound awful. Yeah, these kind of look very, like I said before, these look very much like the Super 44s that are modeled, and they just kind of put their own branding on it. Actually, it wouldn't surprise me if this is a Super 44.
I bet you it is just unstamped.
Yeah, and then they just put their own stuff on it. It looks like this is smaller, like it goes in.
Hang on a second. Bring that up there.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, I've been worried there for a second.
It did look, yeah, you're gonna pull.
Just go to a bigger pipe.
You're gonna pull me on my exhaust. When I did the exhaust on my Mini, I didn't post it because I'm very embarrassed of what it looks like. That's probably my worst welding work. I should show you guys. Actually, leave a comment below if you want to see that awful welding, because it is makeshift for sure. It is rough. All right. Does it look like? Do you want the bracket on there first before? They look ricer sticking out the way they are right now, but once they suck in.
Seated.
The only thing I don't like is that the
You
tailpipe should have been a 3 or 4 inch. The actual pipe size, the chrome part, yeah. In case you guys are wondering where I get my setting stuff down and forgetting it, it's from him. Repping the cleats.
Who needs instructions?
Who needs instructions? Instructions are for losers. So it came with 6 lock washers, but there's 1, 2, 4 at least. No, you couldn't even put one in that corner because it'll.
It's only one.
Well, it's got a crush washer, doesn't it, too? Or is that a standard washer?
It's a standard washer.
Oh, I guess just put one of them there and call it good.
Yeah, but I guess in case you lose them. I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of silly.
Yeah.
Now you got some lock washers.
Those are my bin of extras.
Everybody has those when you complete a job. You're like, oh, I got some extra left over, and you just stick them in a drawer. You got a dirt spot on the back of your head. Yeah, it's dirt.
All right, so should I put the hangers or worry about the hangers after?
I think, how tight are the hangers? Like, could you be able to move the?
I can slide them on there. Yeah.
I think we should do the hangers because I don't know once they're on there, you're gonna be able to like move that whole muffler piece.
Oh yeah, I think so. Because once it's seated all the way through, it doesn't matter. The hangers will slide wherever you need them. But where's the big boys here?
Big what? Oh, there's that one.
I can just lube these things up and get them on there afterwards. I just want to be able to freely seat this all the way in.
Yep.
Push the wiggle there.
Oh, so right now we're running into trying to get this pipe to slide in past here. That way it doesn't look like shit sticking out there and look very ricer.
Got it. Right.
Said I'm not really. I miss the big full size, but I guess these look. I mean, it's a good. It's solid.
I'll wait a second until I get this other hanger in.
So we run into a slight problem with the
Pull up on it.
exhaust on this side here. I think maybe the cuts are a little off, so this one sits way more flush than the other one does. Never mind. It's like sucked in, and then when you hit it, it just bounced back. It moved, but it's not.
Not significant.
It's better.
I did see it move in a little bit from the mark.
No, it definitely moved a little bit. I think it's better than it was before. I think that's as good as you're gonna get, unless you want to take the whole thing off and cut the pipe.
Let me give it a couple more for good measure. It didn't do anything the first days.
Those sound really good.
I'll just let it sit for a second and I want to do a little rev. I don't want to cold rev it.
So what do you think?
Sounds much better.
I like it. I like it a lot. Figure out how to bag those and then take them home, sell them, and Des can be like, "Are you really gonna sell it?" I'm like, "Yeah, eventually." And then she's gonna be like, "Why do you have to keep collecting this junk?"
These instructions in there with those.
Yeah, someone be confused. If you buy this kit, you're gonna get some instructions for a muffler that doesn't exist that you bought. Wait, what am I trying to say? No. If you buy this kit, you'll get instructions for a muffler you don't have. Words. All right, there you have it, guys. That was a very simple, hopefully quick exhaust install with the Procharger. So it was pretty quick, pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. And as always, I will see you eventually, one point at the track or about at a car show.
Peace out.
Bye. No, you should do that. Peace out.